Hello, and I welcome you all in the Cybersecurity Jobs and Internship series, where we bring jobs and internships related to infosec domain from various companies to save your time and give you the best. Let's see what we have today. NetSPI is providing a full-time job opportunity for offensive security engineer who is having a strong knowledge of Win32 APIs, operating systems like Windows, and familiar with Windows debuggers. Basically, you should have a good understanding of Windows internals, and you should require some experience in Linux API programming, .NET, Golang, C2 development, and exploit development. So, what are you waiting for? Go ahead, apply, get selected, and have a great future. Thank you.